Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of a document in the Google Drive app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up Google Drive. Here it opens up in the suggested tab. From here, we just have to select the document and tap on the three dots next to its name, and then tap on copy link. Now, the link that leads us to this document is copied to the clipboard, and now we can just insert it into a conversation and send it to our coworkers or collaborators, and then they can start working on the document. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.